Splash out. Spend a lot of money carelessly or freely. He splashed out on a new car. We splashed out at the mall. Wash away. Remove by flowing water. The rain washed away the dirt. My worries were washed away by music. Soak up. Absorb liquid or information. The towel soaked up the water. She loves to soak up new ideas. Dry up. Become dry or stop flowing. The river dried up in summer. His money dried up quickly. Pour out. Flow out in large amount or speak freely. He poured out his feelings to me. Water poured out of the tank. Dive in. Start enthusiastically. Let's dive in and finish this work. She dived into the swimming pool. Float around. Be present somewhere in an unfixed way. Rumors are floating around. Leaves floated around the pond. Wade through. Walk through water or deal with something difficult. We waded through the flooded street. He waded through paperwork. Spill over. Overflow or spread. Water spilled over the cup. The fight spilled over to the street. Flow back. Return like a flow. Memories flowed back to her mind. Blood flowed back to the heart. Wash up. Clean oneself or be brought to shore. Wash up before dinner. A dead fish washed up on the beach. Dip into. Take a small amount from a supply. He dipped into his savings. She dipped into the sauce. Scoop up. Pick up quickly in large amounts. She scooped up her kids in her arms. He scooped up sand with a shovel. Bubble up. Rise to the surface or come out suddenly. Anger bubbled up inside him. Water bubbled up from the spring. Trickle down. Flow slowly downward. Sweat trickled down his face. Money should trickle down to the poor. Dry out. Become completely dry. The wet clothes dried out in the sun. The pond dried out in summer. Pour in. Come in large numbers or amounts. Letters poured in after the show. Money poured in for charity. Splash around. Play in water noisily. Kids were splashing around in the pool. He loves to splash around at the beach. Wash out. Clean completely or cancel due to rain. The rain washed out the match. I washed out the stain. Freeze over. Become completely frozen. The lake froze over last night. Be careful, the road has frozen over. Boil over. Overflow while boiling or get out of control. The milk boiled over. The argument boiled over into a fight. Soak through. Become wet all the way through. His clothes soaked through in the rain. The water soaked through the paper. Flow out. Move out like a flow. Oil flowed out of the pipe. Words flowed out of her mouth. Wave off. Say goodbye by waving. She waved off her son at the station. They waved us off at the airport. Sprinkle on. Scatter drops or small pieces on something. Sprinkle salt on the salad. She sprinkled water on the flowers. Drain away. Slowly disappear like liquid. The water drained away from the sink. His energy drained away after work. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more. Only English vocabulary.